Welcome to English Story Journey. Today, we will talk about consistency beats talent. The idea that consistency beats talent challenges a common belief that natural ability is the most important factor in success. Talent is often admired and celebrated, but it is consistency that determines long-term achievement. Talent may give someone a strong starting point, but without consistent effort, discipline, and perseverance, it rarely leads to lasting success. History, research, and real-life examples all demonstrate that those who show up every day, put in steady work, and remain committed to their goals often outperform those who rely solely on natural ability. Talent is unevenly distributed, but consistency is available to everyone. Not everyone is born with exceptional intelligence, creativity, or physical ability, yet anyone can choose to be consistent. Consistency means committing to improvement even when progress feels slow or invisible. It involves practicing regularly, learning from mistakes, and continuing despite boredom, fatigue, or failure. While talent can create early success, it is consistency that sustains growth and turns potential into mastery over time. One reason consistency is more powerful than talent is that it builds habits. Success is rarely the result of a single brilliant performance. Instead, it is the outcome of repeated actions performed over time. When individuals practice consistently, their skills gradually improve and their confidence grows. Small daily efforts compound into significant results. In contrast, talented individuals who lack consistency often struggle to maintain momentum. Without regular effort, talent fades, skills weaken, and opportunities are missed. In academic and professional settings, consistency often separates high achievers from underperformers. A student who studies a little every day usually performs better than a naturally intelligent student who studies only before exams. Similarly, in the workplace, employees who are reliable, punctual, and consistent in their performance earn trust and recognition. Employers value consistency because it reflects responsibility and commitment. Over time, consistent effort leads to expertise, while talent without consistency leads to wasted potential. Consistency also strengthens resilience, which talent alone cannot guarantee. Talented individuals may struggle when they face failure for the first time because they are not accustomed to setbacks. In contrast, consistent individuals develop perseverance through repeated challenges. They learn that progress is gradual and that failure is part of the learning process. This resilience allows them to continue moving forward even when results are slow or discouraging. In this way, consistency builds mental strength that talent alone cannot provide. Another important advantage of consistency is that it reduces dependence on motivation. Motivation is temporary and unpredictable, while consistency is intentional and reliable. Consistent individuals do not wait to feel inspired, they act out of commitment. They understand that success is built on discipline, not mood. Talent may create excitement at the beginning, but consistency carries individuals through difficult periods when motivation fades. This reliability makes consistency a more dependable path to success. Consistency also promotes long-term growth and self-improvement. When people commit to consistent effort, they develop patience and humility. They become open to feedback and continuous learning. Over time, this mindset leads to steady improvement and adaptability. Talented individuals who rely solely on their natural ability may resist growth, believing they do not need to improve. As a result, they often fall behind those who consistently work to refine their skills. Critics may argue that talent is still necessary for excellence, especially in competitive fields. While talent can certainly be an advantage, it does not guarantee success without consistent effort. Many highly talented individuals fail to reach their potential because they lack discipline and perseverance. On the other hand, countless average individuals achieve extraordinary success through consistency. This reality proves that consistency is not just important, it is essential. In conclusion, the statement "consistency beats talent" highlights a fundamental truth about achievement and personal growth. Talent may open doors, but consistency determines how far one can go. Through steady effort, habit formation, resilience, and discipline, consistency transforms ordinary abilities into exceptional results. Success is not about being the most talented person in the room. It is about being the one who continues to show up, work hard, and improve every single day.